Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about this postdoctoral fellowship opportunity at Clemson University. This university is located in USA. The postdoctoral fellowship opportunity is in College of Engineering, Computing and Applied Science, Automotive Engineering, okay? So you can see in the description the Clemson Composite Center at Clemson University is seeking a highly motivated and skilled postdoctoral fellow to join our dynamic team. The focus of your research project will be AI driven quality prediction, okay, and modernizing manufacturing systems to enable industry. Your responsibility and expectations which Clemson Composites Center have conduct high-level research in both project and collaborate with project teams, publish research finding in peer-reviewed journals and present at national and international conference, contribute to mentorship and supervision of graduate students within the research group, support the team in preparation of proposals for the follow-on fundings. Okay, here they have discussed more details about the project and Clemson Composite Center. You can take a look. This composite center, Clemson Composite Center, is located in South Carolina. Okay, your qualification and your required qualifications are PhD in mechanical engineering, computer science, or related fields. Strong background in machine learning, data analytics, and digital technologies. Excellent programming skills in Python and R and similar languages. Strong communication and collaboration skills. Preferred qualification: experience in small manufacturing research, experience in manufacturing field, particularly in the automotive or plastic composite industry. Here you can see the interested applicant should apply here. Okay, you can take a look with the following. You should provide cover letter, your CV and research statement. Selected candidate will be invited for formal interview. Dr. Saeed Farani is a directorate of this associate director of Clemson Composite Center. You can send an email or also apply from here. You can apply from here, but if you will have any question, you can contact and that email address to Dr. Saeed Farhani. Okay. Now so here you can see that application submitted by August 1, 2024 will receive full consideration, but this position will remain open until filled. Okay, so you can send the email now as well. How you can apply? You can click here apply now, or you can also click here. After you will click here, you will come to that page, and then you can see here here you can see that you need to first create your account. Okay, because you don't have account. Okay, you can click here create account. Then first you need to create your account, and then write your first name, last name, password. Okay, and then you can, after creating the account, then you can sign in and submit your application. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish all of you best of luck, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.